be showing you how to make a basic clicker game using Scratch. For this, you're going to be needing a computer and a Scratch account. Once you get to Scratch, you're going to want to go up here and click where it says My Stuff. That will bring you here. From here, you're going to want to go into the corner and hit New Project. This is where you name your project. You can name your project anything you want, but I'm going to name mine Apple Clicker. Once you've named your project, you're going to go over here and click on this. Then you're going to go over here and hit Choose a Sprite. That will bring you here. Now you can see this image of an apple. You're going to want to click on that and move it to the middle here. Then go up to the corner and hit where it says Costumes. Make a box around this. Hit up here where it says Group and just drag it like that to make it a bit bigger. Once it's out of size you like, go back over here to Code. Then you're going to go over to this orange button where it says Variables. Click on that, go up and hit Make a Variable. Call it Apples. Then make another variable called Apples per click. Go over here and move them to the corner. Once you've done that, go up to Events and drag over when this sprite clicked. The next thing you need to do is go to Looks and get Change Size by 10. Then you're going to click where it says 10 and delete it and put 13. Go to Control and drag under that, wait 1 second. Like before, click on it and change that to 0.1 seconds. Then go back to Looks, go down, and get Set Size to 100%. Then, when you start your game, if you click it, it will go big for a second. That's just so you know that it's working when you click it. Next, you're going to go down and make another variable and call it Total Clicks. Once you've done that, drag over the Change Apples by 1, click on where it says Apples, and change it to Total Clicks. Now go to Events, get When Green Flag Clicked, variable Change, Apples per click. Actually, no, get Set Apples per click to 1. Next, go get When This Sprite Clicked. Then go to Control and drag over If Then. Go to Operators and get the Greater Than. Then go down to Variables and drag over Apples per click. Put the apples per click inside of this circle. Then change the 50 to 0. Then bring Change Apples by 1 and replace the 1 with Apples per click. Now go to Events, get When Green Flag Clicked, Variables, set Apples to 0. Back up to Events, When Green Flag Clicked, Variables, set Total Clicks to 0. Now, when you start the game, every time you click the apple, you get an apple. Now we're going to add our first upgrade. Go over to where it says Add a Sprite, go up to the Paint. Then, click on the square and slide the circle to change the color to black. Now with your cursor, drag a box. Then click on the text and select the color red. Click on the screen and then write upgrade 1. Put that inside of your box. So go back to the mouse and you can drag it to make it bigger if you want. Once you like it, you're going to make a box around it again, hit group, and drag it down to the bottom corner of your screen. Then go to code. You're going to need to make 2 more variables. One is going to be called upgrades, and the other is going to be called apples per second. I'm going to drag the upgrades one down to the top corner of my screen and move the apples one up here. Now, go to choose a new sprite, go up to paint, use the text tool. I want to make mine red again, and it's going to say upgrade 1 cost 100 plus 1 apples per second. And I'm going to go back to my mouse and I'm going to drag it over there. Then go back to code and back over to the upgrade sprite. Go to events and get when this sprite clicked. Then go to control and drag under that an if-then statement. Then go to operators and get another greater than statement. Then go to variables and get 3 changes. Put them inside of the if. If then. Next, go and drag an apples over here and change the 50 to 99. Then change the 1 to minus 100. Make this one change apples per second by 1. And the last one, change upgrades by 1. Then go to events and get a when green flag clicked, control, forever. Then go up and get a wait 1 second, in variables, change apples by 1. Go get this and replace it with the 1. Then get another when green flag clicked, variables, set upgrades to 0 and set apples per second to 0. Now go back to apples and drag the change total clicks by 1 to the top right here. That way it will do that before it does the other ones. Now we're going to make our second upgrade. So we're going to go to paint and do the same thing we did before. Make a box, color black, make that box, and then get the text, make it red. But instead of writing upgrade 1, we're going to write upgrade 2 because it's our second one. Then we're just going to resize it. And once you've done that, drag it almost right beside the other one there. Now go back to code. Then you're going to go paint a new sprite, get text, make it red again, and write upgrade 2 cost 300 plus 1 apples per second. Or no, plus 2 apples per second. Then drag it underneath the first one. Go back to code and click on the upgrade to sprite. Then get a when this sprite clicked. Then go to control if operators greater than variables apples, change the 50 to 299. Then again, get 3 change statements. The first one will be change apples by minus 300. The second one, change apples per click by 1. And the third, change upgrades by 1. Now we're going to add a background. You're going to go over here to where it says backdrops, choose a backdrop, click on that, and then go here where it says outdoors, and then click on the blue sky one. Now you have a backdrop. You can share your project if you want. I'm going to share mine. If you do share your project, then everyone can see it. If you don't want, and if you just want to keep it to yourself, then I suggest not sharing it. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you. Bye.